Hello everybody, I'm Swaminath. Today we are going to see about process flow of SAP MM, basics of SAP MM. So MM is material management. So it is more into vendor management. So wherein we purchase raw material from the vendor at the competitive price. So the process flow is in MMS purchase requisition. Purchase requisition is a requisition document, and purchase order is order confirmation, and then goods receipt, that is inward delivery, and then inventory check and invoice verification. So we are going to see all these 5 steps in SAP system. So now go to ME51N for creating purchase requisition. Enter the material here, enter the material here, 3487 is the material which was already created. So enter the plant, enter quantity 10, enter storage location, enter valuation price. This is not the confirmed price, this is just a dummy price. So I'm going to buy inverter 10 quantity, and the plant is VDI Industries. Raw material, storage location I have entered, valuation price, which is a dummy price, I have entered. Now I'm going to check and save. And save. So this is the PR number. Go back. Now go to purchase order creation, ME21N for purchase order creation. So now we have to select the purchase requisition. Execute. Go here, my purchase requisition. Select my purchase requisition. So this is the purchase requisition. This is the purchase requisition. Select it and drag drop it here in this trolley. We enter the vendor 100392. Either you can enter it directly or you can select it from here. I'm entering it directly as I know the vendor number. Enter the purchase order number, purchase organization 1112. Here the purchase organization is 1112. Now this is the confirmed price from the vendor. We are going to buy 10 inverters with this price, 11,100 rupees. So now check and save. And save. This is the purchase order number 4500017880. This is the purchase order number. Now I'm going to do goods receipt. Go to MIGO for goods receipt. That is inward delivery or inbound delivery. 80880 450001817880. This is the purchase order number. We have created it earlier. Press enter. So now item OK here. Click item OK here. Check and post. Click check and post. This is the material document number 5000000971. This is the material document. Now go to inventory check MMBE. MMBE is the inventory check. So this is the material. Enter the plant 1112. Storage location for raw material 1112. Execute. So 20. Already 10 was there. Now it is added. Another 10 more was added. So it is 20 now. Now come back. Do invoice verification. Invoice posting. Go to MIRO. Enter the date here. Enter the tax code here. Z1. Enter the purchase order number 808045001780. Either you can enter it directly here or select it from here. Select it from here. Execute. You can enter the vendor number. You can select it from here. 100392. See, this is the one. Select this, copy. Press enter. So now click on to calculate tax. We're calculating the tax. Enter the baseline date. Enter the baseline date. Press enter. Go to basic data. Enter the amount, balance amount, whichever is there here. 12,320. Press enter. Now simulate, click simulate and post. So here balance is 0. Debit is 12,320. Credit is 12,320. Balance is 0. Tax is 1,320. Post. Click on to post. So now the cycle is over. This is a basic cycle of process flow of SAP MM. If you want to know more about SAP MM, you can get in touch with Learn to Win. Call number 9940654379 and the email ID is swaminath.kandaswamy@gmail.com. Thank you.